pt1 in this video. I'm going to be tearing down a generator and yoinking the stator or alternator, whichever you want to call it. So this thing is completely trashed, so I'm going to be tearing it apart. If you like this video, please make sure to like, because it helps a lot. Alrighty, let's get to learn along with me and possibly avoid any mistakes I make. There goes the heat shield. Put the screws in the heat shield to keep them. Let's see what else. And this is a real station. What happened was someone decided to run the engine with no oil for a week with the wrong fuel, so it's pretty much trashed. So I'm yoinking it. Oops, flat head. I can just check that out with my fingers actually. Alright, let's see. First, I'm seeing all this. Yeah, it looks like it. Keep all the bolts when I use them for something. Before anyone says, why don't you just rebuild the motor? You can't. This thing's just destroyed. Let's see, C's shut. Damn. This engine overheated way too fucking much. And let's see any. There's a lot of more screws in there on the sides here. Find it. It's a fucking bolt. Alrighty. Check it out. A little bit more, look around. I might be able to save this here. The stator I can probably repurpose and put on a clockwork device. Basically have the stator and still produce electricity, even if it's not connected to a motor. I need to figure out what bolts are on there. Let me see. Does this one have the light? Yeah, it does. Let's see. Let's see in there. Anyway, let's get the cap off here. There's that. It looks like it's going to be metric. Don't even know why I thought that would work. Hold on 1 second. On the bolt, it's an 18mm. Hold on. Let's see, do I have any drives for it? Of course, it's going to be some obscure type of drive, aren't you? There we go. One bolt down. A couple more to go. Screwdriver pry it. Any other screws holding it on. And of course they're going to be Allen key bolts. Probably the screw type 2 concerning this thing is probably made in Canada. Allen keys to the rescue. Type are you? Let me see little these. That's for damn sure. Maybe you. Oh, so damn close. Just a little bit smaller. Too small. Give me a moment. Found the right Allen key, but yeah, that shit's rusted in. Let me get some WD-40. But that's it. Finally getting it. It made a loud pop earlier. Damn. So if this thing's even more of a pain in the ass, the more we go, I'm just gonna take a hammer to it and just bust it open. There we go. Damn, that is the rest of the shit. Nope, that one's gonna be a pain in the ass too, isn't it? No, we're not. Well, maybe it is. And before anyone says, why don't you use the short end and use the leverage of your long arm? It is too deep for that shit. These are going to be in here. Even more of these I can't see in there. They're firmly coated in sand and crap. So I'm not even. Okay, what are you? Yep. They're the same size. Let's see if we can't crack them. Hey, we don't need WD-40 keys. Yay. These ones. This shit's still on camera. Kind of. Let's see. Damn. Gotcha. If this thing still has some gas in it, I swear I poured it all out. Into a container, so don't y'all fucking freak out. There you go. Alright, time for these. Oh, these won't be just as much. There's that WD-40. I'm gonna pause it, let it set, and I'll get back when I'm done with that part. Okay, got the cap off. And take this and cut it with a pair of pliers. There you go. Oh, cool, now I have a tray to put all the screws and shit in. Now time for the mounting. Let's see. They're going to be the same as... Oh no, they are not going to be the same. Smaller thread maybe? Let's see. This is going to be a 10mm? Yes it is. Motherfucking pot rivets? Oh, someone did some homemade jank shit with this too, I can tell. Hold on. Broken flathead, a good flathead, a good prod flathead. Yeah, it's still recording. Of course, they're gonna be these phone shank winded motherfuckers. There's the air intake and shit, I mean, look at the filter. That is just wrong. They didn't change this filter at all. We've had it before. I already see security screws. Those are just fun. I have no particular way or order I'm taking this apart. I'm just taking it apart. Stay in there, you damn it. Smell oil. That's probably WD-40. Alright. Let's see. Yep. Nope. It's gonna be... There we go. I don't know where that fucker fell. Make sure to keep a piece of all your shit because you can use it in other things later. I cannot reach that, damn. I did not take this off correctly, now did I? It's too small for that. I wonder. Let's see. Alright. Right there. What's plastic? So you just pry it off. Can't sell for shit either. Ooh, this is gonna be pissing me off. I just know it. Yeah, almost every mechanic knows that feeling. Or knows what I just said. That just pisses me off. Hold on. Alright, little stator. I know you're in here and I'm gonna take you. Here you are. I'm gonna take you out and I'm gonna use you for whatever I need. Let's see. What am I missing? Here. Something. What did I forget to pull? See. I'm sorry. That's spare parts here, I'm just thinking. Take those off. Let's see. Yeah, I don't have to dig through and get more tools. I'm gonna pause it for a bit because we're getting off topic. and because of my recording time on my phone. Hold on. Here's for people who don't know. Trying to figure what that is. I'll give you 5 seconds. It's the choke. What lets air in and out. You can choke it and restrict it to how much air you want. Okay, a bit of a mess happened, and because I'm on time limit on my phone, I'm gonna make this into a 2, maybe 3-part series. Catch you later.